Millen here from AV King. We've set up this WiiM room with the system running a couple of in-ceiling speakers and an in-ceiling sub here in the kitchen. And we're just doing the tuning of the system now, so we can come into the WiiM app, and if my phone was working properly we could anyway. And we can go here to the room fit, which will do our auto tuning of the room, and run that test. I'll just hold this phone up so it gets better acoustics in the room. So this is using the microphone inside the iPhone itself and the WiiM app, which is free, and that'll give us our room diagram there, and we can apply the settings and get a retest. And that will adjust the system to have optimal settings for this room. AV King if you'd like a system demo of the WiiM.